Hello there, I'm Anthony Alampi. I'm the owner of X Factor Consultants, a digital design and web consulting company based in Austin, Texas. We design user-friendly websites and mobile apps for the Android platform. When developing Android apps, you may want your app data to persist between usages. This course is meant to help you learn how to leverage the power of Android's Room API in conjunction with DAOs and SQL databases to do just that. We'll talk about how to develop a schema using Room entities and create a local database that can be accessed via DAOs. Then, we'll query our database with a number of different advanced operations. Finally, we'll discuss how repository patterns can make your app easier to maintain and go on to implement one of our own. Once you've completed this course, you should feel comfortable integrating databases into your own Android apps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about Android databasing with the Creating a Database with SQLite, DAO, and Room course at Pluralsight.